Salamat kay Nanay Visitasyon Tan. Well, brothers and sisters, as we gather here today to pay tribute to the life of Sir Richard, I would like to take a moment to introduce her beloved wife. She has been a source of strength and love during this challenging time. She would like to share a few words of gratitude with all of you who have come to honor Sir Richard's memory. I'd like to call in Ma'am Adelina Tan.
Maayong hapon sa tanan. Ang among tawag sa amo ang magod papang and mamang pang kabalo ka pang na you are a good son, husband, brothers and friends, and I say you, I miss you, I love you, and say goodbye. Og salamat sa tanan.